Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Install and launch Snake Aim, then run it with elevated permissions if the installer or docs require that. Once done, connect your mouse or controller and set polling to 501,000 HZ so readings are stable. Open a new profile instead of editing defaults, and make sure overlays, recording tools, and game mode settings are off so raw input reaches the tool. This avoids calibration noise and gets you into the first actionable step quickly. You now calibrate and tune. Start the built-in calibration routine and follow the crosshair prompts steadily, because accurate samples make the rest reliable. Once calibrated, adjust sensitivity in small increments and perform 10 to 15 test clicks or shots to judge feel. Abrupt large changes mask the correct setting. If you see micro jitter, try slight smoothing or a jitter filter, but prioritize hardware DPI or in-game sensitivity changes first. That preserves fidelity and keeps aim natural. Finish by saving and exporting the profile so you can restore settings later. Backups prevent rework. Next, run a 5 to 10 minute live test in a training map or practice mode to validate consistency under realistic conditions. If you encounter cursor jumps, freezes, or inconsistent tracking, first recheck polling rate and DPI, then unplug intermediate USB hubs and update or roll back device drivers. These fixes resolve most hardware conflicts. If problems persist, reload the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.